Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by powering and preparing the Beats Flex. Plug them in or ensure at least a 20-minute charge because low battery disrupts pairing. Once powered, press the power button briefly to turn on, then press and hold for about 3 seconds to force pairing mode. The LED should flash. Meanwhile, open your phone's Bluetooth settings and keep that screen visible. This coordination reduces timeout errors and lets you move immediately to connect without delays. You now initiate pairing. With Beats Flex in pairing mode and your phone's Bluetooth scan active, locate and tap Beats Flex in the device list. It usually appears within seconds. If a confirmation prompt or code appears, accept or confirm it immediately. Once paired, allow the phone to finalize connection. You'll see a connected state. Make sure you're within 3 feet to avoid signal drops and temporarily disable other nearby Bluetooth devices if the name does not appear or connection stalls. You finish by testing audio. Play a short track and set volume on both the phone and Beats Flex. If audio is absent or intermittent, first disconnect and reconnect in Bluetooth settings. If that fails, reset the Beats Flex by holding power and volume down for about 10 seconds, then re-enter pairing mode. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth cache is cleared or rescan devices if problems persist. This reset and retry approach resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.